A small laundry room doesn't have to feel cramped or uninspiring. With thoughtful decor and smart organization, you can transform even the tiniest space into a functional and stylish area. The key is to maximize every inch while creating a look that's both practical and visually appealing. Whether you're tackling piles of laundry or folding clothes, a well-decorated space can make the task more enjoyable. In this guide, we'll explore creative ideas to optimize and beautify your small laundry room. Storage is essential in a small laundry room. To make the most of your space, think vertically. Install floating shelves or cabinets above your washer and dryer to store detergents, fabric softeners, and other essentials. Use decorative baskets or bins to keep items organized while adding a touch of style. Rolling carts are another great option, especially for narrow spaces. They can hold cleaning supplies, folded laundry, or even small baskets, and can be easily tucked away when not in use. If you have limited floor space, consider wall-mounted organizers like pegboards or hooks to hang tools, bags, or ironing boards. For a cohesive look, choose storage solutions in a consistent color scheme or material, like woven baskets or metal containers. These small touches make your laundry room feel polished and put together. If these small laundry room decor ideas inspired you to create a stylish and functional space, give this video a thumbs up and share it with friends who are looking to refresh their laundry rooms. Even in a small laundry room, having functional surfaces can make a big difference. If you have a front-loading washer and dryer, consider adding a countertop above them. This creates a space for folding clothes or organizing supplies. Use a durable material like butcher block, laminate, or quartz for a practical yet stylish surface. If space is limited, a pull-down or foldable wall-mounted table can serve as a temporary work surface. When not in use, it can be tucked away to save room. For extra functionality, you can install a small shelf or ledge for decorative items like plants or picture frames. Adding a backsplash to the wall behind your machines can protect the area from water splashes and add personality to the room. Use peel-and-stick tiles, wallpaper, or even painted patterns for a quick and budget-friendly upgrade. What's your favorite way to decorate a small laundry room? Share your tips in the comments. I'd love to hear how you make the most of your space. Drying clothes in a small laundry room can be challenging, but there are compact solutions to make it easier. Wall-mounted drying racks or retractable clotheslines are perfect for conserving space. They can be folded up or pushed back when not in use, keeping the area clutter-free. Over-the-door drying racks or hooks are also excellent for small spaces, offering additional hanging options without taking up valuable room. For a more decorative touch, consider a vintage-style wooden drying rack or a ladder rack mounted to the wall. If your laundry room has limited space but includes a window, use the natural light to dry smaller items like delicates or towels. A tension rod installed between two walls can also serve as a convenient place to hang hangers or air-dry clothes. For more small space solutions and creative home decor ideas, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss a new video. The right decor can make your small laundry room feel cozy and inviting. Start by painting the walls in a light, cheerful color like soft blue, mint green, or pale yellow to create an airy atmosphere. Alternatively, use bold wallpaper with patterns like stripes, florals, or geometric designs to make a statement. Add art or signage with uplifting quotes or laundry-themed phrases to bring personality to the space. Framed prints, decals, or chalkboards can also serve as decorative elements while enhancing the room's style. Plants are another great addition to a small laundry room. Choose low-maintenance options like pothos, succulents, or snake plants that thrive in humid conditions. Place them on shelves, countertops, or even hang them from the ceiling for a touch of greenery. Lighting plays an important role, too. Replace harsh overhead lighting with warm, ambient options like pendant lights or wall sconces. Adding task lighting under cabinets or shelves can make the space more functional while enhancing its overall aesthetic. Finish the look with a stylish rug or mat that complements your color scheme. Choose one that's washable and durable, perfect for high-traffic areas like a laundry room. Check out our small space decor playlist for more tips and tricks to make even the smallest areas of your home look beautiful and work efficiently. A small laundry room is proof that even the tiniest spaces can be both functional and beautiful. It's not about the size of the room, but how creatively you design and organize it. With a thoughtful approach, you can transform your laundry area into a space that feels efficient, stylish, and even enjoyable to spend time in. Maximizing functionality is key in a small laundry room. Every inch of space matters, from the shelves above the washer and dryer to the wall-mounted hooks for extra storage. By using smart solutions like vertical storage and compact drying options, you can create a well-organized system that keeps your essentials within easy reach while maintaining a tidy and clutter-free environment. The beauty of a small laundry room lies in its potential to be personalized and reflective of your style. Choosing the right colors, patterns, and textures can make the space feel brighter and more inviting. Light, cheerful hues like pastels or soft neutrals create a sense of openness, while bold wallpaper or accents can add personality and charm. Storage doesn't have to be purely functional, it can also be an opportunity to elevate the look of your laundry room. Decorative baskets, stylish bins, and cohesive organizers not only keep things tidy but also enhance the room's overall aesthetic. Small details, like matching labels or polished finishes, can bring a sense of order and sophistication to the space. Adding surfaces like a countertop over your washer and dryer or a pull-down folding table increases functionality without taking up additional room. These practical additions make laundry tasks easier while contributing to a cohesive and polished look. Similarly, compact drying solutions like wall-mounted racks or retractable lines provide convenience without sacrificing space. Lighting plays a significant role in transforming a small laundry room. Soft, warm lighting can make the room feel cozy, while task lighting ensures every corner is functional and well lit. A pendant light or decorative fixture adds a stylish focal point, turning an often overlooked space into one that feels intentional and thoughtfully designed. Don't underestimate the power of decor in a small laundry room. Art, signage, and framed prints can bring character and charm to the walls, making the space feel less utilitarian and more like an extension of your home's design. Even a simple chalkboard or pegboard can double as a decorative and functional element. Incorporating natural touches like plants adds life and vibrancy to the room. Even in humid or low-light conditions, hardy options like pothos or snake plants can thrive, bringing a sense of freshness and warmth. Want to recreate these laundry room looks? Find links to all the products and decor featured in this video in the description below. These small additions connect the space to nature, making it more enjoyable to spend time in. The addition of a washable rug or mat can also elevate your laundry room decor. It provides a soft underfoot texture while protecting the floor and adding a splash of color or pattern to the space. Choose materials that are durable and easy to clean to keep the room practical yet stylish. One of the joys of decorating a small laundry room is seeing how little changes can make a big impact. A simple pop of color, a unique piece of art, or a stylish basket can transform the space, making it feel completely refreshed. The process of reimagining and updating your laundry area is as rewarding as the finished result. Your small laundry room doesn't have to be a purely functional space, it can be a room that reflects your personality and brings a sense of satisfaction every time you step inside. The effort you put into making the space efficient and beautiful will not only make laundry day easier but also more enjoyable. Decorating a small laundry room is about embracing the challenge of limited space and finding creative ways to make it work for you. It's about turning a task-oriented space into one that feels purposeful, organized, and even inspiring. A well-designed laundry room can transform your daily routine, making chores feel less like work and more like an opportunity to spend time in a space you love. It's a reminder that even the smallest rooms in your home deserve attention and care. Ultimately, your small laundry room is a reflection of how you value both form and function in your home.